everybody, welcome back to Lesson Nice channel. Today we're gonna make a spring. Like a spring is like you can so how I'm gonna make it, so you have to so it's like a folded paper and then you can pull it and it will be like a spring just like this. So I'm gonna teach you how to make this. First you'll need just like a normal paper. We'll use this later, and you'll need, so this size, I don't know what size it is, so I just folded just like this paper, another one, and then I folded it, then I cut the fold, and then it became like this shape, and you will need this shape, and I have this strip. I just cut it out with this normal paper. So let's get started making it. First, we will need this strip. So first, we need to flip it over, fold it just like this, and then turn the back of it, and then keep going, just like you're making that fan. Remember that video? Okay, keep going. Wait, okay. Going and going. Okay, let me try. Okay, we're done. Time to take the top part. We will need this part, so don't throw it away. Keep it on the side. Now get this paper, this smaller paper, this this paper, and you need a marker too, or you could just use a pencil. Draw any shape you want, like any shape. So I'll draw a heart. Okay? Now you need to do the outline if you want to. You don't have to. Like that. Mine doesn't look that great, but it's fine. Now you can color it any color you want. I'm just coloring the outside yellow. And the inside, I'm going to color it pink. Okay, you need your scissors too. Time to cut it out. Okay, just cutting it out neatly and perfectly. Okay, ta-da! Cut this extra out. Now get any shape, and then get the top part of your fold. This spring. It kind of looks like a spring, right? So fold. So get this. Oh, I forgot to mention. You also need a glue. Open my glue stick. Get your shape. Then glue it on the back side. Then, just like that. Now just flip it over and glue it like this. So I'll do it like this. Glue, glue, glue. Wait, actually need it to be, let me open it again because I need it to be a little more up. You'll need to get this shape, like this. Now you need to cut out, these outsides. Just cut around any shape. Okay, time for the other one. But if one of the extras are in the inside of it, like mine, the heart, just don't cut that out. But cut the outsides. Okay. Let me fix this. I'm done with so we are done with the spring. It should look like this. So your shape is right over here, and you should boing, boing, boing. Now put all those scraps over here to the side. This paper, and then fold it just like a card, even though it is a card. Okay? Fold it. Okay, you should get this. Unfold it. Get your spring. And then you have to glue the bottom. Okay, let's glue the bottom. Okay, time to get the spring, glue the bottom. As you glue the bottom like this, now you need to put it right here and in the middle. And ta-da! Now you have your own spring inside. Then you can close it like this. Now you can decorate it however you want. So you can write words even here too, and you don't have to color them. I'm gonna write a word that says spring, and it's the letters are kind of springy. Now, exclamation mark is also springy. Okay? Time to color. I'm just going to color one heart. I'm going to draw and color one heart. This shiny, glittery blue color, and it's called Night Sky. Time to draw two hearts on one side, on both sides. Okay, now the other side. Okay, and one sun over here. Actually, I turned it into a flower. So it could be a flower. Okay, I'm done. Now, you could give this to a friend, or you could keep it like a keepsake. You can fold it, and when you open it, it'll be like this, and then boing, boing, boing. It's fun. Boing. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like down below. Bye!